In the vast universe, matter exists in different states: solids, liquids, gases, and even plasmas. But did you know there's a fifth state of matter? A state where atoms merge and behave as a single quantum entity. This is the Bose-Einstein Condensate, BC, a phenomenon so strange, it challenges everything we know about physics. It all started in 1924 when Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose developed equations predicting the behavior of certain particles, now called bosons. His work caught the attention of Albert Einstein, who extended Bose's ideas to predict a new state of matter that could exist at extremely low temperatures. But for decades, it remained just a theory until 1995, when scientists Eric Cornell and Carl Wieman successfully created the first Bose-Einstein Condensate. Imagine a group of atoms moving chaotically, bouncing off each other in a gas. Normally, each atom behaves like an individual particle. But when these atoms are cooled to just a fraction of a degree above, their quantum wave functions stretch and merge, forming a single, unified quantum state. Instead of separate particles, they act as one giant superatom. To create a Bose-Einstein condensate, scientists first trap and cool atoms using powerful lasers. These lasers fire at the atoms, slowing them down by reducing their energy. Next, a magnetic field is applied to keep the atoms floating in a controlled space. This prevents them from touching the container walls, which would add unwanted heat. Then comes the key step, evaporative cooling. The most energetic atoms are allowed to escape, leaving behind only the coldest ones. With each passing second, the temperature drops closer to absolute zero. And finally, the moment of transformation. The atoms stop behaving individually and merge into a single quantum entity, forming the Bose-Einstein Condensate. For the first time, quantum behavior is visible on a macroscopic scale. One of the strangest properties of a Bose-Einstein condensate is superfluidity, meaning it can flow without any resistance. If you stir a cup of Bose-Einstein condensate, it will keep spinning forever. Another bizarre effect? Light, which normally travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, can be slowed down inside a Bose-Einstein condensate, even to just a few meters per second. Scientists have even stopped light completely inside a condensate. And since atoms behave like waves in a BC, they can exhibit quantum interference, where two condensates can combine and create wave patterns, much like ripples on water. Bose-Einstein condensates are helping scientists build quantum computers, which could revolutionize computing power. Bose-Einstein condensates also help physicists study black holes and gravity, allowing us to recreate cosmic phenomena on a tiny scale. Precision sensors and timekeeping. And Bose-Einstein condensates are used in ultra-precise sensors for navigation, earthquake detection, and even in probing atomic clocks. NASA has even created a Bose-Einstein condensate in space. The Cold Atom Lab on the ISS studies Bose-Einstein condensates in microgravity, unlocking even deeper insights into quantum physics. The Bose-Einstein Condensate isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a gateway to understanding the fundamental nature of reality. From quantum mechanics to space exploration, this exotic state of matter is shaping the future of physics. What do you think about Bose-Einstein condensates? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into quantum physics, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. Thanks for watching, and remember, the universe is full of mysteries just waiting to be explored.